Hey, what's up guys? V here. So, something I got in the mail, something I've been really wanting to get right is my B-roll. I'm horrible at it, trash at it right now, so maybe I'm thinking that this would help. It's by GVM, and it is a camera slider. So let's bust this open, let's check it out. Heard a lot about these. This company I know for lighting. I don't have any other lights, but I heard they have pretty good lights also. So the GVM stands for Great Video Maker, whatever. Comes in a bag, pretty neat, pretty nice. Just open it up. Yeah, just trying to get a better quality on the channel here. Right. Okay, it's a nice little packaging. Got some instructions here. Thank you card. It's like a battery charging pack. Oh, it comes with a lot of stuff here. Little remote control unit. Hook that onto the camera and everything. I'm not going to do a full review or anything. I'm going to work with it for a while and then I'll come back with my review. But I'll do a basic setup and stuff here. So, there's a battery. It's like the cable that connects the camera to the unit. And that's it. And then we have the unit. Just pull that out of here. Let's set this to the side for now. Let me just make sure there's nothing else in here. That's it. Here's the case, comes in. Little cutout, little nice foam for protection. Here's the unit, GT6DD. Pretty nice. Little feet there. Has the adjusters on the bottom too if you want to raise or lower. Seems pretty sturdy. And so it also has a spot here for a ball head mount. Alright, so I have the ball head mount here. It's by a different company. This is Ulanzi. I got both of these off of B&H Photo. My new favorite shopping place. Let me see. So let's open this up. Comes a little tool kit here. And here is the mount. There. It's pretty neat. Here you have the adjustment for the swivel. And here is the tighten, the adjustment for the actual slider here. Hold on. So you open that up. That opens it up completely and you can just take that out of there. You can close that down. Lock your camera in. And then here is the adjustment for the actual swivel of the ball. And then on here, you can see that, and this should fit right on here. So there we go. It's on there. I'm gonna go ahead and get the camera set up on this, and then I'm gonna run it through the process. All right, so you got some extreme close-up action. So here we go. Here's the unit. So it just basically plugs in right here, and this plugs into the system, and the battery goes in the back right here. On-off switch. Let me see. So this is manual mode. This is me just holding the button down. It's pretty smooth. I mean, you can hear the motor a little bit, but you know, in post you can take all that noise out. It's actually not that loud. And here's so that's manual. And so I got it at 100% speed. You can go all the way down to 92% speed, 87, 86, you know, and so on. Let me go at 75. So this is 75. Alright. You go back and forth. Here's your arrow buttons here. Kind of speeds it up, slows it down. And this takes up the speed right here. Percentage of speed that you want. It shows the battery life here. It came with a little bit of juice. So that's manual mode. And then let's see. So I got video shoot, then we have time lapse. Setting, you can set the start and set the end where you want to end at. So that's auto. Just going on its own now. So that's setting the stop and start point. You can also mount this here. Give me a second. Do a quick release here. So you can also mount this to a tripod. Here's it in. Let me just go take it into action here for you. Give me a second. So there's how it goes along. Little tracks there. So actually pretty cool. Anyway, so I'm gonna do handheld here for a second. So this is seems to be a very cool product. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and do a more in-depth review on this later on. Shoot some video, get some B-roll with it, and then bring you back my results. So this is the GVM camera slider. This is V.